Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to add auto caption in Capcut. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna enter the Capcut app right here. Okay, so we're gonna wait for a few moments, and as you can see right here, this is the video that I have right here. Okay, so let's say for example I'm gonna select one of the projects that I've worked on for maybe a long time. Okay, or I'm gonna just go ahead and scroll up and click new project and add some new random video. So I'm gonna add that. Okay, and here you will see that this is the video that I have. You're gonna see right here the text section. I'm gonna click text. You will see right here the auto caption is in front of you. I'm gonna just go ahead and click. Okay, and it says right here sound source from the video, of course, or the voiceover if you had like a sound file there. And you're gonna see right here the animation, okay, for the caption, and choose one of them if you want, or choose whatever you want. So I'm gonna just select this one, and I'm gonna click start, and I'm gonna wait until it generates. Let me know in the comments if this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.